So today we're going to talk about a perennial that is really good for fruit trees and for pollinators. It's called comfrey, and I wouldn't be surprised if you've never heard of it. What's cool about comfrey is it's out really early, the flowers are beautiful, bees absolutely love it, and there's one more cool thing about comfrey that really makes us want to have it in our soon-to-be orchard. Comfrey is really good at pulling up nutrition from deep in the soil and bringing it to the shallower areas of the soil. So what that means for fruit trees and other trees that have very lateral root systems, shallow root systems for the most part, some nutrition that's not normally available is going to be available to them. So this is a great companion plant, and the greenery around the base of the tree, as long as the crown of the tree can still breathe, is going to help it retain moisture. And this thing helps bring bees in for the blossoms of the fruit tree. See our plum tree over there, just finished flowering, got plums coming in now, and these guys were flowering alongside them. This plant that you see here is, well, it was put in the ground 2 years ago. Last year it came up and flowered and looked great, but this year it's just up with, I don't know, it's up early, it's up fierce, it's ready to go. Another cool thing about comfrey, not just these guys, not just these early bees, but hummingbirds actually like this stuff too. It's one of the earliest plants you could have for a healthy hummingbird population. That's all for now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden by the Brook if you want to see more of the cool stuff that we are growing and learn some stuff along the way.